Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up text tracking in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, and from these we can select one that we want to edit. Then in the editing menu, we have to tap on text in the bottom bar. And now we can edit the text boxes that we added to our project. Now we select the text box that we want to edit. And here in the bottom bar, if we scroll to the right, we find the tracking option. If we tap on this, we find a little circle that we can place and set. And if we tap on Start Tracking, then the text is going to follow that subject that we selected with the little circle, like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.